Hey, yo, it's Chriso. What I'm doing here is a splashback for Koko. There's Koko. She's she is the owner of this house. I did her bathroom and ensuite and toilet. So we're just at the first stage. Koko's been waiting for me for about how much?
4 months.
4 months. 4 months.
I can't find anybody better than Chris.
As you get busy, and then when I was able to do Koko's splashback, it wasn't convenient for her, so it's been 4 months in the making. But hey, you get that. You always prime your walls. Glue doesn't stick to paint as well, so DIYs, make a mark. I know I'm going up to about here, my finger. So you come down a little bit, make a mark, put your primer on, your home and hose. I'm just about to start priming this around here. I'll just come up, you know, to the cabinet, and we're laughing. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.